Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be doing unboxing for Crossbeat Ace smartwatch. This is actually the replacement piece I got from Crossbeat. Uh, I was using the watch before. I had some issues and I sent to the service center in Bangalore, so they sent me the new replacement piece. So let's quickly check it out. I've already opened the box, the packet. So this is the box. As you can see, this branding Ace. Here you can see the details. The watch, actually, this will be the watch, and here what we can see, it has a remote shutter capture, music control, notification alerts, 3D hologram screen. Then it has a heart rate monitor, multiple sports modes, then pedometer, and this is IP68 waterproof. And this has a 16-hour standby. So I have used this watch before and I can see that this is actually quite good watch. I don't know what issue happened with my previous one, but let's see. And it does have a good battery backup. I was using this Honor Band for before. It's a good fitness band, so I thought why not upgrade to the bigger one and the new one. So yeah, so let's do that. Let's quickly unbox this. Okay. So let's remove this plastic quickly. So I have here with me my beautiful 9-year-old daughter helping me on this unboxing. Okay, there's no seal actually, I can see. I believe this is the same piece which they have repaired. Okay, so here some documentation, how to install application and connect to the smartwatch. Then there's some gift voucher kind of thing, so let's keep that aside. So this is the watch. Okay, so this will be the watch. So first let's quickly see what's there in the box. Okay, so there's nothing else. This we have this magnetic charger. Okay, I got two now because this one from the old one. So thank you Crossbeat for giving me another charger. Okay, and some Crossbeat documentation, what all we have, and let's keep this aside and let's quickly jump on to our watch. Okay, so let me show you the charging pin. So this is the magnetic pin. Okay, this is our USB, so it goes like here. Okay, and it does have a very good battery backup, and it also get charged rapidly, so there's no issue with the battery. It's a really good watch actually. So let's see. So as you can see here, this is the watch. Okay, right now there is no notification. Here you can see the foot count, step count. Okay, and then we have a sleep monitor display. We have a heart rate monitoring. There's a training program. As you can see, there's a 3D hologram, and then this is for blood pressure, and this is to check oxygen level, and there's a breathe training program they have given. And then we also get the media player, and once you connect to the smartwatch, you will also get the notifications on weather and all. So what you need to do, you need to install the Dafit app from Play Store, and as you can see I have already installed it. I just have to pair the watch, so I have clicked add. Okay, So it's searching. Okay, so it has discovered the watch CB Ace. Okay, so I have now paired my watch with my phone. Here you can see. So as you can see the details here, CB Ace, it has 53% battery. Then you get a lot of things from here. Here you get the upgrade option. Then there's a shutter, like camera setting you can do. You can set the alarms, and you can set the notification. You get the WhatsApp notification, Facebook messaging. So there are a lot of options here. You can select from here, like Skype notification. So you can just enable the options from here, and you will get the call notification, WhatsApp notification and all. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, here you will get the customized watch faces. There are more than 100 watch faces. You can also click any of the image of your choice, like from here I can see the default 3. So here you can get more watch faces. Like there are multiple watch faces, and those are really cool watch faces. I have used those. Okay, so talking about watch, like it very good build quality. You can get here the metal. You can see the material used is really nice actually, and this has a rubber strap, and this really feel comfortable actually. So let me wear this and see. Yeah, so very comfortable actually when we use in our hand as well. So let's quickly check the blood pressure, heartbeat. It does take some time, but majority of the time the results are accurate actually. Yeah, so it's showing 77 beats per minute. Yeah, so this is the final one, 78 beats per minute. Okay, you also get multiple options here, pedometer, sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and you get the training program, walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. So lots of training programs here. And you get the blood pressure monitoring, oxygen monitoring. And as I told you, like when you connect this watch to your smartphone, you will also get the weather and other notification. Okay. So yes, so guys, this is all about the Crossbeat Ace smartwatch unboxing session. If you want to purchase any smartwatch, you can definitely go for this. There are new versions available which also has Bluetooth calling option. Unfortunately, these don't have the Bluetooth calling option. This I got for 3,500, so quite budget friendly watch. So guys, do definitely go for these watches. I would suggest you go for the Bluetooth calling option. That's the advanced one. So yeah, but really nice product from Crossbeat. Quite clear display. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.